Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kani rolls. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. This includes imitation crab sticks, sushi rice, nori seaweed sheets, and a few simple seasonings. Next, prepare your sushi rice by cooking it according to package directions, then gently folding in a mixture of rice vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and a dash of salt. Allow it to cool slightly before moving on. Now that your rice is ready, let's prepare the other components. Take your imitation crab and either shred it finely or slice it into thin, even strips. If you're adding other fillings like crisp cucumber or creamy avocado, slice those into long, thin pieces as well. Finally, set up your workspace with a bamboo rolling mat, a bowl of water for wetting your hands, and all your prepared ingredients within easy reach. It's time to roll. Place a nori sheet, shiny side down, on your bamboo mat. Dip your fingers in the water and spread a thin, even layer of sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving the top 1/3 bare. Arrange your imitation crab and any other fillings like cucumber or avocado in a neat line horizontally across the rice, closer to the bottom edge. Now, gently lift the edge of the bamboo mat closest to you and roll it forward, pressing down firmly to create a tight, even cylinder. Once rolled, use a sharp, moistened knife to slice your Kani roll into 6 to 8 equal pieces. Serve immediately with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. For more great tips and to check out the Owala water bottle mentioned, be sure to look for links and other deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade Kani rolls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.